Hey guys, Alicia here. Today is going to be part 1 of a 3-video series on how to make and sell digital papers on Etsy. Before we get into the video, please hit the subscribe button to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading. Okay, so the first video that I'm going to show you today is one way how to make digital papers, and the next video is going to be a different way how to make digital papers. And then the third video that I'll be doing is how to actually bundle them together and get them ready to sell and upload to Etsy, and I will show you how to upload them to Etsy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is we are going to create a design. Now, most digital papers on Etsy are sold in 12 by 12. The reason for that is there are a lot of scrapbookers that like to get on Etsy and just do an instant download and they can print it out directly. They don't have to go to the store and buy scrapbook paper, and it's just so much cheaper. So we're going to make sure that we size this correctly, and it's going to be 12 by 12. Now I am using iPicky.com, and for some reason it just lets you do the pixels. So I actually Googled what a 12 by 12 was in pixels, and it is actually 1500 by 1500. So right here we're going to do 1500 by 1500, and we're going to click Create. Okay, so here is our square. This is actually 12 by 12, and you can leave it white if you want, but we're also going to do it where we create a color. Okay, so we're going to go back again, 1500 by 1500, and we're going to choose our template color. Okay, so now this is our 12 by 12, and I'm actually going to save this image to my desktop. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to actually go back into iPicky, and we are going to upload that photo of just our plain colored box that we created. And we're going to add the image, and now we are going to click to edit. Okay. So if you go right here where it says textures, you have all of these to choose from. Okay, so we're going to click on the first one here, and I'm just going to kind of show you some different things that we can do. So here's one design that we can do, and you can also click, different things you do if you want to do like a darken, if you want to lighten it, if you just want to do an overlay, hard light, but is what we really want to keep it as right here, the multiply. Here's also a different way to make the textured paper. There's just so many. This is in the grunge collection. And I personally just think that these are kind of awesome. Okay, so we're going to actually click to save this. Apply, and then we'll save it to our computer. Okay, the other thing we can do, I just want to show you here in iPicky.com. Once again, if you just go to textures, you can click all these different textures. So right here, here's like these are fabric textures. And I really like this one right here. I'll even blow this up so that you can see the texture on that. And then here's another texture. I mean, there are just so many different ways that you can add texture to this. And once again, there's just so many blend modes that you can do. You can click to lighten it and really just create your own image. I even like right here this hard light. So if I blow this up a little bit, you can tell, you can really see the texture in there. Okay. So we're going to cancel that, and then let me see here. Let me find a different texture. We have materials. So we're in our materials, and some of these textures you have to change the blend mode. So right here, it's obviously not working well as an overlay. We can go and click to darken it or multiply, and I can blow that up and show you the texture on that as well. This kind of looks almost like carpet, like old shag carpet, but it's under materials. Let's see here. The second one, there's another texture that I can blow up for you. And I really like this one right here. This texture, this just reminds me of pool water, and I could totally see this in somebody's scrapbook, like after they had a pool party or something like that with their family. And, you know, this one I absolutely love, and it has the glow of the light like the sun is shining. So I'm actually going to save this one as well to my computer. So we're going to click apply the materials, and we're just going to save to our computer. So, you know, once again, the options on this are absolutely endless. When you go to textures, let's see here, we'll click on one more. I'll do nature, and we just need to change our blend mode here to multiply, darken. You can do hard light. Usually the multiply and the darken works really well. So there's one. Let's see here, we'll do darken, and I also like this one too. I'll blow this up so you can see it. This almost looks like droplets of water or something like that. Keep in mind, I have only been using one color that I created. So this is the color I chose. You can choose any color on the spectrum that you want. And let's see what the sky looks like. So you can even do clouds. And you can even fade this a little bit if you want, or you can make it darker. It's however you want to do it. So I'm really liking that too. So this is just one way within iPicky.com that you can make textures, and I hope you found this video helpful. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I have 2 more videos on how to create digital paper to make and sell on Etsy. And also a 3rd video on how to bundle them and how to get them listed on Etsy. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.